everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods to do a 4-strand braid. You can click the link in the description below if you want to jump to one particular method. The first 2 are going to be variations of a flat braid. The third one is going to be a 4-strand round braid. So to get started, we are going to divide the hair into 4 equal sections. And then starting on the right side, we are going to cross the hair, the far right section over, and then under. And then on the left side, the left section, we are going to do the opposite. We're going to cross it under and then over. For the right section, we are going to go over and then under. On the left, we're going to go under and then over. And we're just going to keep repeating that process. On the right side, it's always going to be over and then under. And then when we get to the left, it's going to be under and then over. That is the first method for a 4-stranded braid. I'm going to show you another method, and you're going to see that the appearance is going to be just a little bit different. So for the second method, again, we're going to divide the hair into 4 sections. So this time we're only going to be crossing the hair over from one side. You can go with either side, but today we're going to pick the left. So you're going to take the far left section, you're going to cross it over in the next section, and then under and then over. So you're just going to weave it all the way until it gets to the opposite side. And then we're going to go back to the left side, grab that left section, cross it over and then under and then over again until it goes all the way, becomes the left section. And again, we're going to take that left section, we're going to cross it over and then under and then over. And then we're just going to keep braiding like that all the way down. Left section over, under, and then over. You can already see this style is a little bit different than the first method. It's just whatever you prefer. Just keep in mind to create this style, we are going to have to only grab from one side. And then just braid down as far as you'd like. And here you have the second method for a 4-stranded braid. As you can see, it's still a flat braid, but the appearance is going to be a little bit different than the first method. Now I'm going to show you one more method. So this last one is going to be a 4-strand round braid. And again, we are going to divide the hair into 4 equal sections. And this time you're going to let go of the 2 outer sections and take the 2 inner sections and cross them over one another. So we're going to take the far right section and we are going to take it and we're going to pull it all the way underneath the 2 middle sections so we can cross it over the left middle section. And then we're going to drop that right section. And then we are going to grab the far left, we're going to pull it under the 2 middle strands and then wrap it around the right middle strand. And then you're going to grab those 2 middle strands, drop the left section, you're going to reach behind, grab the right section, cross it behind the 2 middle, and then over the left middle. And then do the same thing. Grab the left section, cross it behind the 2 middle sections, and then around. You're just going to keep doing the same motion over and over. And there you have the finished 4-strand round braid. See, it's similar to a 3D braid. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.